Hello everybody, welcome. Now, some things that you cook is always the best, ain't it? Simple and delicious. Egg, chips and beans. Now I absolutely love egg, chips and beans, and I haven't had it for absolutely ages. And I got up this morning and thought I fancy egg, chips and beans. So I'm going to do it nice and simple, so it's probably only going to be a short video. But I'm looking forward to eating it. So, but I'm going to do it in this air fryer, the one I'd given to me. Because the chips in here took about 10 minutes and they're absolutely delicious. So I'm only going to use the frozen chips. That's all. Eggs and some cheap Aldi beans, that's all. Hopefully it'll be delicious. First things first then, get straight into it. Fries. Start. I'll get that preheated. Once it's preheated, get the chips in. Get the pan on, get the eggs in. Beans. Eat. Yum yum. Right, now we add food. It's preheated. Get some in. There's only me having this. I'll show you what Nat's having when it's cooked. I haven't done a video on that yet, but I will do. There you go. After about 5 minutes I'll get the eggs on, because I only take 10 minutes then with the french fries. While they're cooking away, I'm just going to put my beans in. Only the cheap Aldi ones, as I say, 26p or something. Good enough, ain't they? You can always put a bit of butter in them, a bit of cheese. Cheesy beans is nice. I'm not doing that today though. Simple one, ain't it? What can go wrong? Famous last words. Right, let me show you what I've cooked out, Natalie. I haven't done a video on it yet. Oh yes, look at that omelette. That is an omelette. Look at that beauty. A proper omelette. I ain't gonna eat poxy things. Good, split a bit there, but hey, always down your gob, done it. I'll do one of them soon for you. But in the meantime, now come get your omelette, sweetheart. Right, these ain't far on, just put a bit of salt in them now. Looking nice, about 5 minutes then. Just getting me fat up now, my beans are on nice and low. Make sure I stir them actually. Bring my plate over. Not long to go. And that's not coming on, but I'll show you the omelette. There it is. Oops, you've got your face in them, Bab, sorry.
Okay.
What do you think?
It's delicious.
Look at the size of that. Proper food, ain't it?
Yep.
Oh yes.
Proper comfort food.
Proper food.
Yummy.
You love my omelette, don't you, Bab? Proper. Huh?
I never used to like one.
No, you never used to like them, did you?
No.
Until you had mine.
Yeah.
Until you had mine. Yeah, chips are nearly done. They probably are done. I mean, how long have they been in? 10 minutes, so what was that on 8? It's about 8 minutes. A couple of minutes, they're done. Right, I'm going to get my eggs in. Without breaking them, hopefully. I have 2 eggs, probably get shell. Oh, it's too hot, turn down, it burns. I do like the crunchy white though. That one's burst up, knew it would. But hey, all goes down your gob, doesn't it? Bit of salt and pepper. Showing about that egg. But right, chips are done, I'm going to turn them off. There's the chips. Fries, whatever you want to call them, probably can't see. They're hot, so I've got to be careful. Leave them in there a minute. Right, let's dish up. If I can get it. Should have got this proper spatula actually. Messing around. Shame that one egg, but hey, on top, get it all on top. So we like our eggs nice and crispy around the edge. Gotta have that crispy bit. And a few beans on top. Oh yes. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. I'll punch and Junior now. There we go. Nice simple dinner for me. There you go. Nice simple. Something to eat. Yeah, I just fancied it, so I thought, well, I'm having it, that's it. So let me show you a closer look now anyway. Closer look, I mean, that's it all already. Good girl, Bab. She's called me an idiot because I called her a good girl. Oh, that's it all. You love my omelettes, don't you, sweetheart? There's my egg, shame about that one, but hey, it doesn't matter. Simple food, innit? Bit of brown sauce on top because we've got the tomato sauce, so we don't. Oh, yes.
Simplest food's always.
There you go, simplest food's always the best. I'm going to stick a little bit more pepper on. Is that nice?
Yep. That's lovely.
Enjoy it.
Real bad, just what I needed.
I will do my omelettes one day, I know everyone keeps asking me.
They're amazing.
But it's a trade secret. I'll show you one day. My trick with omelettes is just let them cook themselves. Take your time, none of all this stuff. Let it cook. Chips, just frozen chips, ain't they, from Aldi, that's all. Put a bit of egg on. That's about perfect for me, that egg there. That egg yolk. Just a little bit, not a lot.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Oops. Yeah, enjoyed that.
Yeah, just what I needed.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Something nice and simple.
Yep.
It had nuts, had mushrooms, bacon, onions, tomatoes, ham, spring onions, red onion, cheese.
It's really nice.
And nice. Proper meal.
Yeah.
Fill you up with that, won't you? Fill your belly
I'm
up.
full up now. I'm properly full up.
I love the crunchy bits on the eggs, I do. I really do.
No, I don't.
You don't, really?
I'm not a big egg lover.
Not a big egg lover, just a massive omelette.
Hey, but you know what I mean? I don't
Just the
like
eggs
them
on its own, yeah.
I don't like them like that.
Yeah.
I don't like boiled eggs.
When we have egg sandwiches, don't we? It's got to be really hot for you, innit? You can
Yeah.
only have one, can't you?
Yeah, because we only eat it cold.
Yeah.
Same as beans. I only have the sauce.
Proper simple food, man. I love it
Delicious,
sometimes.
that was. It was really nice.
Oh, yes. You're in a coma now? You're in a food coma?
I've
Do you
got
like
8 minutes for it to go down. Thank you.
No.
Can't move.
Was it seasoned all right for you?
Yeah.
Salt and pepper, yeah?
Yeah, it was lovely. Thank you.
Nat's enjoyed it, so there we go. So I love egg, chips and beans, but I say I haven't had it for absolutely ages. Just as a meal, like. Could have had some bread with it, but I didn't want any. That's filling enough there. I've done far too many chips. Just the eggs, innit? Eggs are expensive now, aren't they? They're only like £1.30 or something for 6. Used to be like 70p or something, 69p. Well, there we go anyway. Nice little bit of grub. Look, we've got a delivery. They're enforced this for next door, I think. No one's living next door in a minute, are they? Anyway, I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Delicious, lovely food. Simple, delicious.